Hi nerds, welcome to Nerds Camp. In today's video, we are going to introduce a new website development tool that is known as Solo Build It SBI. So to work in this amazing website development tool, we will have to purchase domain name and our account credentials. So let's log in and select our purchase domain, and now I will show you how you can work on if you are new on this platform. Here we have two domains we have purchased, and I will select what is vitiligo.net, and I will show you how to get started. First of all, I will show you this is the site navigation. I have worked on it. In this video I will show you how to design a new page and how to build different navigation option. And so let's get started. For this we will have to click on block builder. Here from this option we can design a new page to our website, and if you are new and you are going to get started, then you can get just like this. First of all, we will have to put the information about our page, and for this we will have to keep in mind we should have a proper keyword list. For proper keyword, how to design keywords, you can choose amazing feature in Solo Build It that is known as brainstorm. Here you can choose your keywords related to your website, and I will make a separate video to show you how Solo Build It blueprint and brainstorm work on it. From this feature you can create related keywords, just like I have created keywords related to our website. What is vitiligo? Here you can see the list and the site structure. So how it work, I will make a separate video on it. So in today's video we will focus on how to create a new page. So you can see create a new page option from the block builder. Here we have to put the file name. File name may be .html with extension, and page title, keywords, description, and something that is very important for our page. So I have some data about related to our page. So this is the file of our related keyword and data. So I will copy and paste it. Okay. So one thing keep in mind, we can't give space or any special symbol in file name, so I have to remove these white spaces. And page title is same that will appear on our website, and keyword is our different colored skin. And here we can give the description about this page. For example, this page is about different color skin condition. One thing keep in mind, while giving description you should use the keywords in your description. Different color skin condition, it's causes, symptoms. We will talk about in this page about the causes and symptoms of white colored skin condition, symptoms, and different treatment option. I think it's enough for our page description options. Now you can see if you want to make category of your page, you can add category. I will this time I will not add category because and next we will have to put this page in site navigation, so I have to click this option, and here site navigation title should be given. To get started for page information, I think it's enough. And as we click add page information, we are here. This is the page where we will work, and in this way we can get started after putting page information. So let's get started. Here we can put the title of our page. I will select the title of our page is the different colored skin condition, so I will copy this, and I will make sure it should not come on in the front of the image, so I will put it here, and this is the title of our page. Here you can see different option on our left side. If we want to add a title, we can just select and drag it on our working area. So next is the heading is introduction. If we want to add the title heading introduction, I will just select and put just under the title of the page, and I will write the heading introduction. I will show you how it will work. Just click it, and this is the heading. Now I will show you, you can change the heading size from here. H1 to H4 we have option. For title we will use H1, and for subheading we will use H2, so it's good for me. Next, now this is the first block. Your first block, here we can put the detail about the introduction of our page, so I will just show you how it will work. I will just copy and paste the text from here. Just double click on it, and I will paste, so it's good. And now I want to make this text should just beside, I want to show this text should be in justified mode, so I will click anywhere from between the text, and here you can see the option. If you have a knowledge of MS Word, yeah, then this platform is really good for you. You can use this interface just like MS Word interface. So next, if you want to add an image into your page, here we have an option image. For image we can put text plus image, and as a single image we can put a single image from here, and just I will drag the option image, and you can choose the image from the your storage, local storage. And if you already have uploaded many images from your laptop or computer, you can choose one of them from these library. So here you can see the preview of the selected image. You can put anyone as you like. So it seems good for me, so I will select this image, and I will disable lazy load. It will work quickly when any visitor visit your page. So this is the image, and from here we can resize it by just clicking it. Let me show you. Yes, it's good for me. We can minimize or maximize from this option. Okay, now next I will show you how you can put the next title is our what is different color skin condition. So I will select headline from here, and just under the image you will have to select the area where you will put the headline, and here we go. And now next you can see the second block of the text from by default page builder. We can put the second heading, and I will show you how our page will look like. So I will justify the text. Now you can see a dissimilar about our page. This is just like it is can be put on every page from these dot, because these dot work on all the sites, all the pages. If you want to show any text from all of your site, you can select this area. This is known as a site word, and you can put the text like this on the whole of your website. I think I will show you how I should now show how to it will work, and you can see here the option as you can save your page as a draft or you can build it. So I will save as draft. When I will complete my whole page, I will build it. Build it mean you will publish your page and it will be live for all of the world. Here, once you successfully draft your page, you can go to Site Center, create new page, change page, and even you can return to this page. And if you want to see how your page will look like, here is an option to preview your page. Here we can see the preview of our page. Yes, here we go. It's look like pretty good. So this is the simple method to how you can design your page on a single page. But now in the navigation, now I will show how this page will work. Types of skin cancer is here, but we have to put this page here, so the our page should look should be in the navigation bar. I will show you how you can add your created page to the new to your site. For this we have to move site navigation. When we have done, here at the bottom our last created page can be seen. This is the different color skin page. We can just select it and we can drop anywhere inside navigation sequence where if you want to show this page. So different type skin condition types of our page should be here. I think I will select the page from just like this, and I will go and go and go and go. For your understanding, I will show you how you can set your site navigation page, and I will just put it here, different color skin condition, and I will build it. Yes, build it, and return to site navigation or site central. Here is the page. So this is the method. In this way you can add
your page into site navigation to design your navigation bar. I think this tutorial is enough for today, and in the next video we will explore the different features of SBI like site designer, libraries, block builders and etc. Take care, see you in next video.